sharing what I eat in a week. It has been a highly requested video. So my diet typically depends on what we have in the fridge. Luckily, yesterday we went grocery shopping, so we got a lot of veggies, a lot of fruits. We are grocery shopping for our groceries for the week. Got some avocados. We have to do our little grocery list, so we just have our meals ready. We are gonna start off with Monday's breakfast. I'm probably gonna have something a little bit heavier. So I think we're gonna make some avocado toast and a smoothie. So let's go. Okay, so for breakfast, I typically try to get all my veggies and fruits in. I'm gonna use this exotic fruit blend that has mango, pineapple, and papaya, some sprouts, some spinach, a banana, and this oat milk. And then I'm just gonna put the rest of my Trader Joe's Very Green Juice smoothie. And this is how it looks. That's pretty good. Now I'm gonna make an avocado toast. So for my avocado bread, this is the bread I like to use. It is the Ezekiel 4-9. I like to kind of cut up the avocado and put it in a little bowl, so I'll make kind of like guacamole. I feel like it just goes on to my bread better this way. Some lemon pepper, some black pepper. I don't really add salt because I feel like the lemon pepper is a little salty. So I just mash it up and then I just put it on my toast. And then I will cut up some little heirloom tomatoes. Okay, so then I will just add some goat cheese. I love goat cheese on my avocado toast. I actually love goat cheese on anything and everything. And then I will just top it off with the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So this is how the avocado toast turned out. It looks so yummy and so nutritious. And then I got my little smoothie that's gonna give me all those greens. So this is a late breakfast just to kind of hold me over. I have kind of a late lunch, and then by dinner time I'm not as hungry. So I like to kind of carb load in the morning and get all my fruits and veggies. Okay, so it's lunchtime. I am a little delayed on lunch. It's around 2:30. So I am going to make a little salad and use some of our leftovers from last night. We had Indian food, so we have a ton of chicken, and I'm just gonna do lots of greens, and let's get into it. So I'm just gonna make this avocado grilled chicken salad that I got from Sprouts. It has green and red cabbage, green leaf lettuce, tortilla chips, kale, carrot, green onion with white meat grilled chicken. And then I have a little bit of leftover chicken that I'll probably add in, and then the avocado and maybe some tomatoes. I'm throwing in some rice in here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So this is what my chicken taco salad looks like, and then I'll just have a little side of kombucha. All right, so now it is dinner time, and it is about 6 p.m. You want to tell us what we're making tonight?
Today we're just doing like a little grilled chicken with some veggies. The veggies are like zucchini, just like having like cooked zucchini, a little cheese on top of it.
We have the grilled chicken. This is probably one of my favorite meals to make because it's so easy, and we have this cool little grill pan that makes it super simple. And then we have some calabacita with cotija cheese. So definitely an easy meal and very tasty and pretty healthy. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of a harmless harvest coconut water before our little walk and hydrate. And then I'll probably finish off the night with some tea or something. Good morning. So I completely forgot that we were having someone come clean our kitchen because the oven was just a mess. So today's breakfast consists of a Go macro bar, and honestly these are so freaking good. My favorite is the Everlasting Joy because it has coconut, almond butter, and chocolate chips. So really basic breakfast this morning. It's 11 and I'm still intermittent fasting, but yeah, very nutritious breakfast here. So good. So it is around 1:30 and I am going to make lunch. I didn't have a heavy breakfast this morning as you saw, so I'm gonna have a salad. So let me show you quickly how I make it. So my salads are pretty simple. I like to use kale, sometimes like a spring mix salad. This one has baby lettuce and spinach. I have some leftover chicken, so I'm just gonna combine that. Probably add some goat cheese and some tomatoes. So typically what I like to do is is put a little bit of olive oil and lemon juice into my kale. So I just cut up my chicken. I'm actually gonna use Parmesan cheese today. I have some leftover calabacita from last night, so I'm just gonna throw that in. The more veggies, the better. Honestly, you'll find that my food is usually just like using whatever I have in the fridge. Cheese, and then I will top it off with some lemon pepper and everything but the bagel seasoning. Then I'll just toss it. Oh, I need to add some tomatoes. Okay, so that is it. So this is how my salad turned out. It looks delicious. Okay, so it's now 4 p.m. and I'm craving something sweet because I am PMSing. So I think I'm gonna have like dark chocolate covered almonds. These are my absolute favorite. They're the cocoa roasted almonds from Sprouts. Oh, they taste so good. So I think I'm gonna have a couple of these. Wonder if I should have some kombucha. It sounds pretty promising. Hey everyone, so it is around 6:30 on Tuesday. We are making some shrimp pasta. What's in it, Lupo?
Just shrimp, spinach, and tomato sauce.
And some Parmesan cheese and cream cheese.
Yeah, I put a little cream cheese.
Don't give out the secrets. So here is our dinner. It looks delicious. So I thought I wasn't gonna finish it all, but I was wrong. It was delicious. I paired it with this little Trader Joe's rhubarb and strawberry soda. It's really good. I like to add like sparkling water because it's sometimes too sweet for me, but I really like it. Hello, so it is pretty late today. It is 12 o'clock. I'm barely having my first meal because I kind of ate a little late last night. I think I finished eating around 7:30. It's day 3 of intermittent fasting. I'm on my period and usually I feel like really gross and bloated, but I haven't been feeling that way. A little TMI, but y'all know I keep it real with y'all. So we are going to make a smoothie today, and it's gonna be a blueberry, spinach, banana, vanilla, coconut milk, yogurt, just for some extra protein, and then we're gonna use almond milk, and then I'm gonna make a little matcha. So y'all know the drill. I put in the spinach first, and then we'll put a little bit of milk, and then I'll blend this up, and then I'll add the rest. Okay, so for my matcha, I am using this Goldie Pure Matcha. I am obsessed with this one. I haven't found a better one than this. I actually bought the little whisk with the matcha as a kit for like $30-something, a really good deal. And then I'll use a little bit of honey, almond milk, and oat milk. I like to mix half and half. These are the tools I use, just something to kind of whisk the matcha in, a little spoon, 1/4 cup, and then a little mason jar because we gotta keep it fancy over here. So basically what I'll do is just put 2 ounces of matcha, and then I wanna warm up 1/4 of water for about 15 seconds, maybe even less. So let me add the honey, and this is just a little bit depending on how sweet you like it. I just do a little drizzle. So now we'll add in 1/4 of a cup of warm water, and then we'll just whisk it all up. So now I'm gonna put some ice in here. I think that's good. And then we'll do half and half, and we'll do half of this. So then next we are just going to throw in the matcha. Very, very simple. Yum. And then we'll just mix it up with a little reusable straw. And there you have it. And that is pretty much it. There are so many benefits to matcha, and it'll give you a nice consistent boost of energy. I like it because it doesn't give me the jitters, and it tastes delicious. So it's 3 p.m. It is lunchtime. I think I'm gonna make some tuna and have them with the almond thins, nut thins from Blue Diamond. But right now I am eating olives out of the jar. These are jalapeno stuffed. They're so good. This is my pre-lunch snack. Okay, so basically the way I like to make my tuna is with cucumber, tomato, and lemon juice and avocado. And then just a tiny bit of mayo. I don't love mayo. I just feel like I want it to taste like ceviche, so I put a shit ton of lemon and salt and chili. I also love to add onion. We will squeeze in the lemon juice first. I will add a little bit of mayonnaise. This is avocado oil mayo, so it's a little bit healthier. I don't know. So then I'll just toss everything in. So I'll add in tomatoes. Then I'm gonna throw in the cucumber, then the crazy onion, and I'll mix it all up. Okay, so now it just needs a little bit of salt, and I like to add lemon pepper and then Cholula. So this is what it looks like. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it tastes amazing. I just topped it off with avocado, and here are the nut thins. So hopefully this fills me up. I think the nut thins are going to fill me up. Lupo made fajita tacos for dinner. It looks so good. There's mushrooms, cheese, chicken, my favorite marinated onion, more cheese, and parsley. My mouth is literally watering. Now I just need some salsa. Hello, so it is noon and I am just about to make breakfast. I was craving oatmeal, so I'm going to make oats with peanut butter, honey, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. So basically, I'm just gonna put half cup of oats, and then we need 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for 3 minutes until thickened, and then I'll add all my fruits. Okay, so then I'll cut up my fruits. I'm going to use bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and then I'm going to melt a little bit of the peanut butter and then a little bit of honey. I don't need a lot because the peanut butter is already sweet. So I'm just gonna add in the fruit. I'll add in the strawberries, lots of blueberries, and then my banana, and then the peanut butter. It's just going to be drizzled on top, and then a little bit of honey. So this is what it looks like. It is just overloaded with fruits and peanut butter. So it's almost 3 p.m. I'm about to have my lunch a little earlier than usual because right after work I have to run out of the house. So I am pretty hungry right now, and I am going to make this Trader Joe's chicken burrito bowl. So this is what it looks like. Not completely appetizing, but it tastes amazing. I just add a little bit of lemon, Cholula, and then mix it all up. And then I added a little bit of avocado because why not? We are making some taco bowls with ground turkey, and then we got some black beans, kidney beans, all the salad, onion, sour cream, some avocado dressing, and avocado, rice, cheese, all the cheeses, and my favorite, 7 tortilla chips. Okay, so the salad, it tastes delicious. Definitely easy to make, definitely delicious. It's better than my chicken bowl that I had for lunch for sure. Then we're pairing the salad with a little glass of rosé, just a little bit, and some Topo Chico. Hello, so it is Friday and it is now 12 o'clock and I'm going to make breakfast. I think I'm going to make a smoothie and quite possibly avocado toast again. So I'm going to be using kale this time because we're out of spinach, and then the usual mango, pineapple, papaya trio with banana, and quite possibly some strawberries, and then obviously oat milk. And then I'm gonna make an avo toast. I'm gonna basically do the same thing I did last time. So this is what Friday's breakfast looks like. So yummy. Can't go wrong with this combo. So we're pretty much skipping lunch today. I'm just gonna have a snack because I feel like my breakfast at 12 was pretty filling. So I'm gonna have a snack and I'm gonna have the skinny popcorn. Probably gonna add some lemon and Cholula to it because why not? Honestly, this is like one of my favorite snacks. If it's not pepino, it's definitely popcorn. What do we have for dinner tonight?
Margarita pizza.
Cheers.
Cheers.
and some tequila soda. So that pretty much does it for what I eat in a week. As you can see, I keep it very simple with salads, lots of avocado toast. The intermittent fasting, I have definitely seen a difference in my energy levels and digestive system. I will say though, it does get easier to not snack. Like as you can tell, there wasn't many snacks in the video. I think it's because I only have a short time frame to eat. So I feel like that helps as well. But if you want to follow along on my intermittent fasting journey or see more of the snacks and food I eat, definitely go follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of stuff on there. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more of it, definitely like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next vlog.